أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Welcome back. We're doing ayah number 5 of Suratul Fatiha. I'll just go over the durations of the letters. So notice here, Ya, Fatha, and Alif. That's two counts. We have again Ya with a Fatha, Alif, two counts. Ain with a Kasra, and Ya, two counts. Everything else is just one count. And we will pay attention to the mud, sorry, not mud, the shkil here, which is called Shadda. So we have to clearly indicate there are two yas here. Iya, iya, right? As a don't kind of brush over it so that it's not clear. That's what itmamul harakat is all about, completion of the pronunciation of each letter. And we have sukoons, actually, they really emphasize the letter that the sukoon is on. So here we have na, ain, right? Followed after a fatha. And here's seen. So seen has the rikha, which is like a longer duration, as well as the spreading sound. Nas, nas, nas. Do you want to practice those with me? We'll just do the sukoons one first. Na,
Na,
nas.
nas,
Very good. Iya.
iya,
And making sure our tongue is low because ya is a light letter. Iya, iya,
iya,
iya,
iya,
iya. Very
iya,
good. Now we'll do one word at a time. Iyyaka
iyyaka
na'budu.
na'budu.
So here I always have when you know how to pronounce it correctly, you will notice that other people are making this like a O sound. Na'budu, making sure to make your dhamma very clear and clean, you have to make your mouth into a tight O sound. Budu, as compared to bodo. That's different. Budu, budu,
Na'budu,
budu.
na'budu.
I feel like you're biased doing that. So making sure when you say boo, your mouth is already tight O sound. Boo. Can you say boo?
Bu,
Boo.
bu,
I'm hearing bo, like a book.
bu,
Boo.
bu,
Budu.
budu,
So let the air come out and make a tight O sound. Boo.
bu,
Budu.
budu,
Na budu.
na'budu.
Very good. Okay. So let's try these two phrases together. Iyyaka na'budu.
Iyyaka na'budu,
We went back to bodo. Na'budu.
na'budu.
Budu. So I can hear it, but maybe when over time you will hear it when you practice more. Iyyaka na'budu.
Iyyaka na'budu.
Did you
Yeah, I
hear
can hear it.
it? Okay, so I think it's all about refining the sound. Na, budu.
Na'budu.
So this is exactly what I used to do when I was learning tajweed. I would go around doing things, and my teacher would circle the letters for me that I knew that she corrected, and I would go around just practicing budu, and record yourself, and then you can even like in this website you can actually click the word and play the qari. See? Nah, voodoo, he said. So just compare yourself against a teacher or a reciter for yourself to see how you're sounding different. Okay, let's continue. Wa iyyaka.
Wa iyyaka
Very good. Nasta'in.
nasta'in.
So ta, make sure no air comes out when there's a fatha. Not ta. Na. Oh, sorry. Nasta.
Nasta.
Very good. Nasta'in.
Nasta'in.
Very good. And for me, also, I have to catch myself not making any nasalization sound when I'm doing the I sound. Ain. Like only on the noon I bring the sound from my nose. The tashkil with the kasra here, kasra and ya, we make sure the air is coming out of the mouth. Ain, right? Like that. Ain. So like that. Nasta'in.
Nasta'in.
Very good. Let's do the whole ayah together. Usually, it's a good idea to take a deep breath when you're going to recite a full ayah, like a beautiful qari. So take a deep breath, stand up straight. Like breathing is a very, very important technique to get it right when you're doing recitation of the Quran. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين.
إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين.
Yeah, and on the scene, let the air come out. Don't stop it. نستعين.
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 I feel like I don't know, I can't explain with the scene, you have to let it like let the air spread. نستعين.
نستعين.
Okay. Barakallahu feek. Do you have any questions? No. Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I keep refreshing it. I don't know why it does that.